Hey guys, so I just got this new cosmetics bag in the mail, and as you can see, it comes very well packaged as it came monogrammed. You can pick the letter that you want to put on your cosmetics bag. It is very simple and cute. There's a little flower charm right here. I'm just going to take the tape off of that. It is just a very simple, sleek design. It's not too big, but it's not too small either, and it's kind of like a boxy shape, so it's not going to collapse on your cosmetics and you're not trying to shove it all in there. Let's open it up and see how this thing comes. So as you can see, when you open it up, it kind of comes like a square and just folds down like that, which is super nice for trying to lay everything out and you can see what's all in there instead of like building on top of each other. There's a nice little card, so if you do want to give it as a gift, you can like write a little note on there and give it away. There's a lot of compartments in here. As you can see, there's a few zipper compartments, and the nice thing is everything is see-through, so you can see everything in this bag as you open it up. Oh, and as this comes out, so you can put stuff in here and then plop it right back in there. So it doesn't have to be in there, but it's nice if you don't want to be digging around in there. You can pull this out, maybe some smaller items that are loose that you want to keep contained. And on this side as well, there's also another pocket. So I'm just going to put a few things in here. As you can see, my makeup bag right now is very simple. It's very cluttered, you can see. So I'm just going to put some of this stuff in here and see how differently I can have this organized. Alrighty, so empty. I have the smaller stuff in here, so I'm just going to zip this right up and plop it in here. I have my foundation, some eyeshadow, and then some brushes in this pocket. So I'm just going to close it. And voila. A nice case. I'm just going to shake it around a little bit and see how this stuff holds up. And everything is where I left it. These things didn't fall out. So I would say this is a very cute upgrade from what I had before. It's affordable, nothing extravagant, and there's not too many pockets where you're going to get stuff lost, but definitely something I would recommend. Thank you.